Mamu Sonu or Kamchi Gunte.
Mahmood Sonu, Director SPD, ISSE Tanagar. Last time to present था. आपको वो लास्ट टाइम बोला है कि हर एक इंफॉर्मेशन रेडी है, आप आके ले लो. ये है आप.
Information ready. तुमने रेडी करती है ये ऐसे बोलता है ये बोलता है
इसको the appellant present, the PIO absent.
Sir, I'm online, sir.
Okay, PIO is online.
Yes, sir.
क्या थर्ड नंबर है उन्हें तो बता दीजिए.
Sir. Okay.
Despite being present in the last hearing on 29 July 2025 and stating before the court that all the information are ready in his office and the appellant may collect it from his office. Have the appellant stated that after the second hearing held on 29th July 2025 and the submission of the PIO before the court that the information are ready at his office. To collect the information, the appellant personally went to the office of the PIO, but sadly the information were not ready, and till today the information has not been furnished to the appellant by the PIO. Taking serious note of the submission of the PIO in the second hearing, and stating that all information are ready, but when the appellant comes to the office to collect the information not ready. And on top of it, the PIO's absence in the hearing is contempt of the court order wherein he was personally informed of the next date of hearing, which is today, and was ordered to be present without fail. But the PIO has failed to provide the information to the appellant as well as to appear before the court of the commission without the regions intimated to this commission, which is unbecoming of a public authority who has to be reminded that he has got a statutory duty to attend to court hearing when an appeal is preferred, P-R-E-F-P-R-R-E-D, preferred against him by an appellant oblique individual. Stop. After assessing ASSESSING, assessing the above facts and circumstances, the Commission hereby orders: number one, to send warning summons to the PIO cum Director SPD ISSE Itanagar, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, to be present in the next date of hearing without fail, to answer to the accusation of the appellant. Second, the appellant to be present in the next date of hearing without fail, failing which this appeal will be determined, heard and determined ex parte. Fix the next date of hearing on
19 March.
19 March 2026, 10:30 AM. एक चांस तो देना है, इफ नेक्स्ट चांस में नहीं आता है तो हम जजमेंट प्रोनाउंस कर देगा आपको देने के लिए। तो आपको जब देने के लिए हम जजमेंट प्रोनाउंस करेगा, वो अगर नहीं देगा तो उसको हम लोग कॉन्टेम्प्ट में बुक करेगा एंड डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन इनिशिएट करेगा। अभी आईएमसी का कमिश्नर को जैसे डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन इनिशिएट किया है, हाई कोर्ट तक चला गया, हाई कोर्ट भी पहले कमीशन का नेक्स्ट हियरिंग का ऑर्डर को देख लेगा, बोल के आया है, कोई उसको रिलीफ तो नहीं मिला है। ये भी वही सेम है ना?
ये जो अभी का वाला एपिक ना,
ये अभी का 108 है, ये 109 सेम पीआईओ है।
सेम ईयर था उसमें ईयर 2023 का ऐसे
हाँ, आपका वो मेरे को regarding implement supply of bench, tables, desks and books.
ये जो आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन रिपोर्ट 22-23 का था, इसको ये दिया है, ये 22-23 में ऐसे कुछ पेमेंट नहीं करते।
ओके,
इसका
तब
वही
तो
दिन को
हाँ,
ये किया था।
तो
हम
ठीक
बोला
है।
इसको भी सेम अगर ऐसे बना के दो, अगर होता है तो ना
देखिएगा वो लोग अगर ऐसा उस साल को स्कीम ऐसा नहीं था बोलने से तो वही फाइनल है, तो इसको हम लोग डिस्पोज कर लेता है।
सर ये कौन सा उसको
वही है सेम डेस्क बेंच वाला 22-23 का,
अभी
इसको हम लोग डिस्पोज कर देते।
पास वाला 23-24
देखो ये बुक ऐसा है ना, या मामू ऐसा है, अब भी पढ़ता है जब पीआईओ के पास में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है, उसका ऑफिस से जब लिखता है कि ऐसा कोई कुछ हम लोग नहीं किया है, दैट इज फाइनल। और आप एक में सीधा क्लियरली लिखा है कि द पीआईओ कैन नॉट मैन्युफैक्चर इंफॉर्मेशन, तो इसलिए हम लोग इसको डिस्पोज करता है।
मैम ये आगे का वाला कौन सा
वो 23-24 का है। 108, हाँ। तो
109 disposed.
हाँ, इसको the appellant stated that the PIO has provided him the information, so there is no need for further hearing. Hamchi Gungke versus Executive Engineer PHE AU Division, ये होगा 609, वो जो ऑनलाइन था। This is the first hearing. सेकेंड टाइम इसको डिसमिस किया, रिपोर्ट कर देगा, डिसमिस कर देगा, एब्सेंट रहने से एक्सपर्टेड। PIO, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So, can you tell us what is the action from your side on the Form A of the appellant or the applicant?
Sir, first of all, I would like to inform you that I have joined on 23rd October.
Yes.
Sir, I have joined 23rd October as a divisional officer of PIO.
Okay.
So I don't know what my predecessor has done, not replied. I couldn't tell you, sir. However, during the receipt of application, as per record, during the receipt of application, it was directed to visit the office on 16/6/25, but the applicant did not turn up.
Okay.
Rest I don't know, sir, because I have joined newly just 2 weeks ago. However, when I come to know, I have prepared all the reply.
Okay.
So it is ready, sir.
So you are saying that you have joined the office very recently, first thing.
Yes, sir.
Second thing, you are stating that on the checking of the records, your previous PIO had returned to the appellant to visit the office and collect the information, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
and now also you are saying that the informations are ready and the appellant can come and collect the information.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, we are taking record of that. In the appellant absence without intimation, the PIO present through online mode and stated that he has joined as a PIO on 23rd October. 23rd October, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
23rd October. This is
And therefore does not have much idea about this appeal. However, on checking the reports, the PIO had a previous PIO on 16. What was the date, sir?
16 June, sir.
On 16 June 2025.
On 16 June, he was supposed to come to the office and collect the report, but the applicant did not turn up.
Applicant was on 16 to collect the information from the office of the PIO. But the applicant has failed to collect the information till today. Next, being the PIO, I state today that the information is sought by the applicant are ready in the office, and the applicant can come anytime on office working days and collect the information. Hearing the PIO, the Commission observes: one, when an applicant files the application for information, he or she has a duty, public responsibility to collect the information from the office of the PIO on being informed that the information are ready. Second, the reluctant nature of appellants or applicants to collect the information despite the information ready by the PIO signifies that he she has not filed the application bona fide. Bona fide is space of a BONA space FIDE, bona fide. And such cases let the commission come to conclusion at times, that such non-serious applicants or appellants should be dealt with very seriously, and their other appeal or other cases be treated at par with their attitude of non-seriousness and unnecessarily disturbing the office of the PIO, as well as wasting the public resources, because the PIO and the PIO's office is a public resource wherein the public authority, who is the PIO, instead of attending to other public works, is entangled by an individual who is not at all serious in his application or appeal, and letting the PIO to waste the public time by attending appeals in the first appellate authority court as well as in the second appeal in the State Information Commission. Under the above stated facts and circumstances, the Commission hereby orders: number one, the appellant to collect the information from the office of the PIO and report to the Commission about the information that he has received. Second, the PIO to provide the information to the appellant and to be present in the next date of hearing. Third, the appellant to be present in the next date of hearing without fail, failing which this instant appeal will be heard and determined ex parte. Fix the next date of hearing on sir, had the appellant been present today, I would have pronounced my judgment. And then,
Sir.
as it is the first date of the hearing, the first hearing, I should be giving a fair chance of being heard to the appellant, and so we couldn't be deciding the appeal today, for which we have fixed another date for hearing. And on that other date, if the appellant fails to turn up, I'll dismiss this appeal.
Okay, sir.
And
Thank
the
you,
next
sir.
date is next date. You
19 March.
record the next date. It's 19th March, 10:30 a.m.
Okay, sir.
19th
Sir, date
March, 19th March
19 March.
2026, 10:30 a.m.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thamchigumte versus Executive Engineer Union Housing 0.
No, sir.
Yes. The appellant action.
PIO है.
The PIO present. नाम को बताइए स्पेलिंग
PAI. SHRI. SHRI.
इसमें सर आप बताइए आपका तरफ से कुछ आपने
हम इंफॉर्मेशन दे दिया है। फर्स्ट अपेलेंट गलती में भी हम लोग हियरिंग हुआ था, तो हम लोग को डॉक्यूमेंट्स कहीं पे भी नहीं मिला है। आई हैव ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म्ड हिम।
So have you given it in
रिटर्न
written
में
to
दिया
him?
है, उसका व्हाट्सएप में भी भेजा है।
उसको report the PIO stated that हम लोग के पास में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है।
नहीं,
Stated that as the
no
office
such documents is found.
office does not have any information pertaining to the application of the appellant. The PIO has given in written to the appellant that his office does not have any information pertaining to his Form A. the same reply oblique information was provided to the appellant in after the hearing held in the FAR court on 20 July 2025. कौन सा डेट को आप
जुलाई 2025 को फर्स्ट अपियरेंस में हियरिंग होगी।
जी उसका बाद में
उसके बाद में हम ठीक से उसको रिप्लाई किया है।
हाँ कि वो इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है बोलते ना
हमारे पास डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं है।
ओ लिखा ठीक ही है and on dated 30th July 2025 the PIO has responded to the judgment order of appeal under section 19 clause 1 of the RTI Act 2005 stating that in response to judgment order from the first authority, the PIO informs that as per office record, no such construction activities had been taken up by the PIO's office. So hearing the PIO, the statement the PIO could not be ascertained was the appellant is not present. And therefore, to give a fair chance of being heard, another date be fixed for hearing. And with this, the commission hereby orders number one, the appellant to be present in the next date of hearing without failing which this instant appeal will be heard and determined ex parte. Second, the PIO to be present in the next date of hearing, failing which necessary action against him will be initiated under the provisions of RTI Act 2005. And fix the next date of hearing on 19th, no? 19th March 10:30 AM. 19th March 2026 10:30 AM. सर अभी 19 मार्च 2026 को आप नहीं आने से भी आपका कोई स्टाफ को ऑथराइज करके या तो ऑनलाइन भी आप आ सकता है तो यू डोंट नीड टू कम आपका तो हम सुन लिया आपका इन रिटर्न भी देख लिया है वो नेक्स्ट में आने से भी आई डिस्पोज ऑफ द केस नहीं आने से भी हम डिसमिस कर देगा इफ ही कम्स आई डिस्पोज इट इफ ही डजंट टर्न अप आई डिसमिस इट क्योंकि यू कैन नॉट बी डाटिया एक बोल रहा है कि आपके पास इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो यू कैन नॉट मैन्युफैक्चर इट एंड आपको बोला है लिख के दिया है कि नहीं है उतना
अगर वो उसका नियत सही होने से क्लाइंट डिपार्टमेंट से आईसीटीएस डिपार्टमेंट से भी वो प्रमोशन लिया जा सकता है
जी
नॉट एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम माय साइड
यस
और one thing is that that solution we have provided me was way back in 2012 का
ओके ओके
सर ये मैं और जो
न्यूली एक्ट किया वाला था 10 years और हम लोग ऑडिट ऑफ द सीएस पेपर वर्क वगैरह केस बुक वगैरह क्लोज हो जाता है।
ओके ओके चलिए उस समय सुनते आप साइन कर लीजिए हमचिगुंगते EERWD डिपार्टमेंट नामसाई नहीं है ना बहुत RWD चांगलांग ये भी चांगलांग भी एब्सेंट है